Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create a character using AI image generator. So, let's delve right into it. Step number 1. Begin your creative expedition by entering your Imagine AI art generator dashboard. Step number 2. If it's not already in default mode, click on the text to image icon. Shaping your character's essence commences with a descriptive prompt that you furnish to the AI. Remember, the more intricate your description, the more unique your character becomes. For instance, provide a prompt like a brave fantasy hero with a sad past. They possess a magical artifact, wear intricate armor, and have a determined expression on their face. Now, let's tap on Generate. And lo and behold, our character emerges. Behold the evolution. Witness your imagination materialize into brilliance. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on Generate again. With Imagine AI Generator as your creative ally, characters spring to life in ways beyond imagination. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.